Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your PayPal account. If you are looking for a way to log into your existing PayPal account, first of all, make sure you download the PayPal app on your device and then launch it open. You will come across this login section where you'll need to enter your email address and then your account's password. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your PayPal account. Make sure to enter your password as well in the password tab and finally click on login. Soon after you do that, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to verify your identity via a code sent to your phone or email, and you will be able to log into your PayPal account right away. So that is how you easily sign into your PayPal account using the PayPal application on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks.